In this video, I will show you how to change Valorant's username. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To change your Valorant username, you need to do this on the Riot Games website. So if you open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do first is come across to riotgames.com. From here, come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see a red sign in button. Give that a click, and what you want to do is sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, come up to the top right hand corner to where it says my account, and when you hover over this, you're going to get this menu come up and an option called settings. So click to go to your account settings. At this point, it might ask you to enter a verification code as well to confirm your account. Well, once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to refresh and take us to the account page. Now, what you need to do from here is make sure you're clicked onto Riot ID, and you're going to see at the top your Riot ID. So this is actually your game name, and what you can do is change your game name here to whatever you want. And this is how it's going to be displayed in Valorant as long as other games by Riot Games. For example, League of Legends. You can also add a custom tagline if you want to. And once you've done that, be sure to come down and click the Save Changes button. Once you've changed your name, as you can see, you're going to get a message like this, just to let you know that Riot ID can be changed every 90 days. So once you've done this, just bear in mind that you won't be able to change it again for 90 days, and it's going to give you the date on when you can change this. So that is how to change your Valorant username. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.